Are you gonna make a different choice? Oh, say thank you, Libby. All right, go ahead and watch it.
All right. So is this a hat?
Dingo.
All right. What do you want?
What color?
Red.
You have to try to get the bean bag.
You can have more than one color.
I'm fine.
Leave that in the middle. Put that one right there. Fabulous job. You saw these? Where'd you see them? We're working on the
Draco, you want to add this on? You're too big. We're little train people. Put them in the train and the ones that are open. Nice.
Are you okay?
For two. Perfect. See?
I think it's like come and go thing.
Put this one on. Nice, Liv. Stop it to go on the tunnel. Stop it to go on the pet dinosaur. You doing okay there? No. Over there. Just doing that. I did.
I know.
Are you gonna be a pet dragon too, Brady? He's coming! Oh, you're playing with horse. You want to go get the temperature?
Can I carry you? Oh yeah, you are.
You need this already.
Nope.
No!
I'm going to see this factory over there. You guys, I'm sorry. I didn't make it over here, but you guys made the track go farther. Livy, are you getting that hooked up? You're trained, Draco. What can we do about that?
Maybe please don't poke my nose.
Those were nice words. I think she was just trying to hook it. Do you guys want me to help you?
Yeah.
I think our problem is that we have the carpet break there. But let's see if we can fix that. Let's turn it over like that. It fits better. All right.
Let's get more.
All right. Are we good? You got it all? Let's see if we. Yeah. You know what? When Miss Stephanie comes back, and we'll have some.
I would like chicken, please, and coffee to drink, and some bread and vegetables. Thank you.